Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal, and I've got a question for you. Are you ready to fix those slow or clogged drains? Well, we have got the perfect tool for you. You may have seen this on TV. It's called the Turbo Snake. In fact, let's check out the commercial.
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Turbo Snake. The fastest, easiest way to unclog any drain in your bathroom, guaranteed. Simply slide the Turbo Snake down the drain, then just give it a twirl, and the Turbo Snake grabs the clog and frees the drain. It's that easy. You don't even need to remove the stopper. The specially designed head slides right into the drain to reach the clog, removing it with ease. Here's how it works. The Turbo Snake easily glides down deep into the drain. Then give it a twirl, and the specially designed hooks grab onto the hair and gunk to remove the clog with ease. Plungers are messy and don't work on hair clogs, and liquid drain cleaners are toxic and flow right past the clog. But Turbo Snake grabs hair clogs like magic and allows your sink to drain every time.
I was amazed at how quick and easy it was to grab the stubborn hair clog with the Turbo Snake and remove it. It was really simple.
Get 2 Turbo Snakes, large for showers and tubs, and small for sinks. As a bonus, we'll send you a set of peel and stick hooks to hang your Turbo Snakes neatly in a cabinet.
Now, this may be a little bit of an older as seen on TV item, but we were able to get an amazing discount on it, and we're passing the savings along to you. And there's nothing that works better for those slow or clogged drains. So head on over to this site and grab your 2-pack today.